Hey guys, for this deep conditioner, you'll be needing a ripe avocado, a ripe banana, and some coconut oil. And I'm just going ahead and cutting the avocado, and then I'm removing the seed. Next, I'm adding the ripe banana and avocado to the blender, and I'm using a spoon to scoop out the avocado from the skin. Now I'm adding some coconut oil, and this is the coconut oil that I'll be using. I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of this oil, and if you live in a tropical climate where your coconut oil is liquid at room temperature, you may need to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil instead. Next, I'm adding a small portion of water so that it is easy to blend. And I'm blending this so that it has a smoothie consistency. Your mixture should look something like this, not too thick, not too thin, and it is not necessary to strain this mixture as there are no lumps in it, and it will therefore not leave any residue on your hair. Now I just shampooed my hair and I did not condition it, I just shampooed it, and then I'm using my fingers to section it into 4 sections so I can go in and add my deep conditioner. And this thing smells so good, guys. So now I'm just using my fingers to apply the product from the roots of my hair to the ends of my hair. And I'm ensuring that every single strand gets this product all over it. And this does get a little bit messy, guys, so it's even better if you can do this in the shower. Now I'm just making a plait and then I'm wrapping it under. So I'm moving on to the next section and I'm doing the same process as before. And I know you guys are used to seeing these DIY deep conditioners all over YouTube, but I can tell you guys that this one actually works like a charm. I've been using this for about 5 to 6 weeks and my hair has never felt this good before. So I usually just shampoo my hair and then apply this mask directly to my hair. Sometimes if I feel like I may go in with a conditioner before applying this deep conditioner, but most times I just shampoo, and I just definitely look forward to watch days so I can do my own little blend up and then put it in my hair. And this deep conditioner is so potent due to the ingredients that are in it. Avocado is rich in essential fatty and amino acids that coats the hair shaft and helps to retain moisture. It also contains several vitamins and minerals that nourishes the hair and scalp. Banana, as we know, is very slippery and it makes the hair easy to detangle. So as you guys can see, I'm using my fingers to detangle the hair the entire time and it is just sliding through so easily. It also gives the hair this nice, smooth, silky texture for the entire time and after it's rinsed out of the hair. And it hydrates the hair, nourishes the hair, and also strengthens the hair, which prevents split ends. And we know coconut oil has so many benefits, one of which is its moisture retaining capacity. Therefore, it helps to keep the hair moist and soft. It also easily penetrates the hair shaft, which helps it to prevent damage and dryness to the hair. So I'll be leaving this deep conditioner on my hair for 1 hour before I rinse it out. Sometimes when I'm at home for the entire day, I even leave it on for about half a day or so. And I'm just using a saran wrap and wrapping this around my head. You guys can use whatever plastic cap you have. Now I went ahead and I rinsed this from my hair with lukewarm water, and you guys can see how soft my hair looks. And it feels so good. I wish you guys could actually feel how soft and smooth it is. And if you guys can see clearly, my curl pattern and the elasticity is just like on another level. So now this is a few days after, and my hair still has a high gloss to it, and it's still feeling very soft and smooth. So this is it for this video, guys. I really hope you try this deep conditioner, and if you do, please remember to share your testimonies down below. I thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.